Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy TechnoTrend back at it again with another upload, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to end your Amazon Prime account. This is only going to be for your Prime account or your Twitch Prime account, which either one, they're the same thing, but if you're here for any of those, this video will be able to help. So what you guys want to do is go straight to your Amazon account, then sign into it. Once you're there, click hello and then your name, then scroll down until you see your Prime membership, click it. Then once you see that, I'll also be doing this for mobile. Mobile will be towards the end of the video, so you guys will see there. Then it'll say here, and mine says end trial because my trial hasn't ended yet because I'm still getting those Fortnite skins. But anyways, right here it'll say end Prime account, something like that. All you have to do is tap it, put in your passcode, and it will be canceled. Because after the trial, you guys will be charged a certain amount of money, and rather than paying that money, you guys can just click end trial, or you guys can just click end Prime account. So what you guys want to do is go ahead and tap inside your Safari. Once you're here, you guys want to go ahead and go to Amazon. Once you're in Amazon, be sure you are signed in, and then after that you won't see this type of page like mine. All you have to do is to go to desktop mode is click the little arrow right down here, tap it, then go to request desktop site right here, click it, and it should take you to the desktop site like this. Then after follow the same steps I showed you in the video, scroll, you guys can see your Prime membership right there. Then make sure to sign in and be sure to cancel it the same way I did it in the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.